Were you followed?
Hey, strange seeing you here, Officer McCreary.
I told you to come here, fucking maggot.
You did? Why?
I know about you.
Know what?
I know enough, boy.
Oh, what do you know? I'm in the park. Now what?
Alright, this guy told me to bring the money there and call him. That means he's somewhere close and he's got a phone. I'm gonna text you his number. You've got to call him and keep a lookout for someone answering a phone. He won't be far.
I probably quit smoking, but I didn't think I put on like 10 pounds.
Oh my god, you read my mind. That party was off the hook.
There's something about smoking after your first line of the night.
I say that all the time.
Hello? Who's this?
A friend. I'm calling about your exchange with McCreary.
Yeah? You better have my paper. I ain't fucking around.
I'm sure he's got your money.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, and there's a lawyer called Tom Gold.
Good.
Hello?
Well, I heard he was caught cruising.
Shit, it's you again? Money best be the topic of this conversation.
Yeah. We're talking about how you ain't getting no money, but you're still giving up the photos.
I told McCreary I wasn't giving up them photos unless he paid me. He was gonna have to take them from my cold, dead hand.
You know what? He thought that wasn't such a bad idea. Looks like you've been fucking with the wrong...
Yes. Where are your manners, young man? William, is that you? How dare you! You should be ashamed of yourself!
Nice ass!
That's right, son. You getting dropped.
Here, he's dead.
Great. I can get rid of these now. I feel like a new man. Not many people get a second chance like this. It's my redemption.
Your sins are absolved, I guess.